250 sections of fence? Do you think we can paint that all today? I doubt it. But maybe in a couple of days. So let's get started. Good morning. So are you ready for what we've got planned today? I don't know that I am, but you know, sometimes you don't have a choice on the project that you're going to work on. And if you would, hit the like and subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything, and it really helps out my channel. I thank you for watching.
Good morning and welcome to my channel another time. I'm Linda and I'm so thankful you stopped by. Today I'm going to be painting this fence. We're painting it black, and then I'm going to be adding some black trim to the house to tie it all together. So just know this project's probably going to take me 2 or 3 days. My husband may be joining me in a little bit. And then I'm going to be taking you along to build some shutters for the front of the house as well. The paint that we're using is a farm fence paint, and it's an acrylic paint. It doesn't fade as easily as the latex. I've never worked with it before. It does have a strong smell, but I'm going to go ahead and get started and see how this goes on.
No joke, I just growed a beard. In real life, no joke, I growed a beard.
Hey guys, it's Reese here again.
I like all those turtles from our pond. I initially thought that I was going to paint this all by hand.
So you can tell this is going to take a long time, so I'm going to put you on a time lapse.
I know you guys are rolling right now thinking I'm going to paint this whole fence by hand. It doesn't end up that way. It takes way too long, and you can see the view that I switch over quickly to a sprayer.
Had to run to the store and get some paint thinner so that I could go ahead and prime this pump with paint thinner, because this is an acrylic paint, and with acrylic paint you have to use an acetone or a paint thinner or something with acrylic paint. You can do the same with oil paint if you're painting with oil, but you cannot clean it out with water until you have cleaned it out with the paint thinner. This is the paint we're using. It's called Fence Coat Acrylic Lacquer Black from Lexington Paint and Supply. We actually picked it up at Tractor Supply. The country, it gets really dark, and we have lights everywhere. But our driveway, we could never see down. So a quick and easy way that I did the driveway is I took these solar lights and I screwed one to every other post. It's not very expensive. It runs about $50 a 5-gallon can. A lot cheaper than house paint, which we painted our fence with before. We picked up 3 more cans. That gives us a total of 7 cans because we purchased 4 before.
Oh, I forgot to show you how to clean this. It's very simple. All you do is you have a can of paint thinner, and you take off your tip and you immerse that into, and this thing just screws off, and you immerse that into the paint thinner, and then you take your hoses right here and you immerse those in the paint thinner as well. Clean them off. So they can work. Anyway, and then you prime, you set the machine to prime. Now it soaks it up. Prime is just a switch here and you turn it downward. That's in the prime position. And then you run it, the power on for a little bit until all you see coming out of the sprayer wand, remember the tip's in the paint thinner, until you only see paint thinner coming out. And then I went ahead and did it with after we got all the paint and everything out and I knew all the paint was out, then I went ahead and did another round of clean paint thinner. And we're just saving that paint thinner so that we can use it to clean the next time with the dirty paint thinner, and then we'll run another clean round just like I did. So, and when you prime it to use it, you basically do the same thing. It's just, you know, set the machine to prime, stick it in some paint thinner until it's only sucking up paint thinner and blowing out paint thinner, and then you put it into your bucket of paint, the hoses into your bucket of paint, then you're good to go. So really easy, but nevertheless it's still messy. Next time, hopefully I'll show you while I'm doing it, if I do this job again on a video. Well, I'm gonna end it here. We didn't get it all done. We got all of this section and up to the telephone pole, inside and out. A lot of sections of fence, but we'll get it done. I may do it as a part 2, or I may just come back and show you that it's done. But thank you for watching, and thank you for those that stuck with me all this time. You have a great day, and I'm going to end this video here. Bye-bye.